Hi, my name is Trisha. Welcome to the Hearing Clinic at Bridget Harley Hearing Care Limited. Today I'm going to show you how you attach your Oticon domes onto your Oticon Intent hearing aids. So here we have our packet of domes, and I can tell the size and type of dome we have, which is indicated at the top of the packet. So you always need to check the size and type of dome you have and whether that's the correct ones you need for your hearing aids. So we will take one out now. So this is the dome, and we're going to attach that onto the end of the speaker wire. We hold the speaker wire onto the box, and we hold the dome with our thumb and index finger. And what we would do is line up the dome with the speaker wire, and then rest the dome on the thumb and use the tip of the index to apply firm pressure straight onto the tip of the dome. And you'll sort of feel a click as the dome clicks into the speaker wire. To know if you've got it in properly, you would need to pull back on the dome